You're hours into a print, everything looks good, and then bam, a failure ruins it all. We've all been there, but today we're going to make sure these failures happen a lot less often. Hi, I'm Erica with L&L 3D Solutions, and today we'll break down the most common 3D print failures and show you exactly how to prevent them. Let's get started. If your first layer isn't perfect, the rest of the print is doomed from the start. Check and adjust bed leveling. A properly leveled bed ensures uniform adhesion across the entire surface. Adjust Z offset. The nozzle should be just close enough to squish the filament onto the bed without grinding against it. Use adhesion aids. If prints aren't sticking, try a PEI sheet, glue stick, or painter's tape. Printing a large skirt or brim can also help anchor prints to the bed. Warping happens when parts of the print cool too quickly, causing uneven shrinkage. Increase bed temperature. For ABS and PETG, a hotter bed helps prevent corners from lifting. Use an enclosure. This keeps the ambient temperature stable and prevents sudden cooling that leads to cracks. Reduce part cooling. Some filaments like ABS print better with lower cooling fan speeds. Printing with a brim or raft can also help large prints stay flat. Stringing and oozing. Thin, wispy strands between sections of your print is stringing. Enable retraction. This tells the printer to pull filament back when it's moving between sections. Reduce nozzle temperature. A hot nozzle makes filament more fluid and likely to ooze. Try lowering the temperature in increments of 5 degrees Celsius. Print a retraction test. A simple stringing test print can help fine-tune settings. For stubborn filaments like PETG, slightly increasing travel speed can help reduce stringing. If your prints look weak and inconsistent, you might have an extrusion problem. Check for a clogged nozzle. Use a cold pull or a nozzle cleaning needle. Calibrate your extrusion multiplier. If it's too low, your prints will be thin and weak. Too much filament can cause blobs or poor dimensional accuracy. Lower your flow rate slightly in your slicer. Check out our previous calibration video on how to adjust your flow ratio in your slicer for better consistency. If your print suddenly shifts or stops midway, mechanical issues might be the cause. Tighten belts. Loose belts can cause layers to misalign, resulting in some ugly prints. Check stepper motors. Make sure motors aren't overheating and are correctly calibrated. Secure the print bed. A wobbly bed can cause layer misalignment. Tighten all the screws and ensure the bed is stable. A slow printing speed can also help prevent sudden shifts, especially for tall prints. And there you have it. By tackling these common failures, you'll improve your print quality and waste less filament.